Have you ever had a program that was selling so well that other sellers came on and crashed the price? Well, I'm going to show you a program that not only will let you know when that price gets back to where you want to go and sell it, it will send you an email when that happens. My name is Matt. Welcome to Selling with Matt. Let's do this! As a reseller, this is something I do on a daily basis. It's just part of doing business. You can do little things to go and improve your success. So one of the things you can do is get Keepa. It's not only a great program that's going to let you know when the product's going to be selling good, what's the history of the product, who's selling the product, and when the best time to sell that product if it's seasonal. It'll also let you know when the product's back to the price that you want to sell it at and send you that email. Now let's show you how to use Keepa with Amazon. So we have this brand, it's selling for $32.99. This is what it looks like on Keepa. So Keepa will give you the information on the buy box, if it's Amazon selling on it, how many sellers are on there, what the review count is, how healthy this product is, and how long it's been selling for, which is really, really long. But the price has dropped as time has gone by. So it was selling at $34, $93, $35, and then it started dropping because more sellers are starting to climb onto it. So let's say this is now priced where it's too low for us. So we want to go and be notified when this product gets back to the price that we want to sell it at. So we go to track product, and then we would change this to more, because we want to go and be notified when it goes more than what it was selling before. So we don't want it at the $30.87. We want it, let's say, at $34 was when we were making a profit. So that's when we will press the track the product, and now it will be sent to the email that you have set up with Keepa. Matt? Yes, Matt. You forgot to tell people that Amazon sellers refer to products as ASINs. ASIN stands for Amazon Identification Number. I'm just trying to help people here, not confuse them. But thank you, Matt. You know what you're doing. Once you've set up the Keepa tracking, this is the email that you'll be getting. So this is not the exact product because obviously I just went to set it up. But this was a product that Amazon jumped on. It would sell them at $12.58, and the new price is now $19. So it was down here. It used to be up before for me, then it dropped down, and now it's gone back up because Amazon doesn't have the product anymore. So this is something I'm definitely going to be selling again. So thanks to Keepa, I can sell it again. So it can be difficult to go and sell products on Amazon with all the category restrictions that Amazon puts on you. But with this strategy, you can find the product and know that even if someone goes and crashes the price, you will be able to sell it in the future. Now, if you want to know what categories you could sell on as a new seller, click on the screen right now. And if you haven't, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.